a new year, and with that I come up with a new way with which you can actually earn 5,000 rupees per day just using one skill, that is Microsoft Excel, and that to be without any competition. See, if you have that skill, it's good. If you have ever worked on that skill, which is Microsoft Excel, then start brushing up the same, start learning the same, because this is the right time, this is the high time you should start monetizing your skill. अगर आप अपनी जॉब में Microsoft Excel यूज करते हो, तो as a part time you can actually earn a very decent amount through this skill, utilizing this skill, right? देखो एक्चुअल में क्या है, लेट मी टेल यू द लॉजिक बिहाइंड इट. On this planet, 1.1 billion people use Excel, and out of that there are lot many people who are doing job and using Excel, and they are very good at Excel, and they also monetize their skill apart from getting the salary. They're actually working as a part-timer, as a freelancer also, and they post their profile on freelancing websites like freelancer.com, upwork.com, peopleperhour.com, and they get many projects and they earn a very decent amount. So they don't rely on one source of income. They are having multiple sources. The way I am also, I'm not doing any job. I've left it way back. And it's been over 10 years that I'm working as a freelancer and earning very decent amount with just one skill, that is Excel. So this is the awareness I'm spreading across and trying to share it with as much people as I can, that you should also start monetizing your skill. क्योंकि स्किल लर्न करने में टाइम लगता है, उसको ब्रश अप करने में टाइम लगता है, लेकिन उसके बाद उसको मोनेटाइज करने में सिर्फ थोड़ी सी स्मार्टनेस लगती है. सो व्हाई नॉट मोनेटाइज द स्किल? easiest way, and we can earn a good amount, but still there is a hard work involved, right? So if you are a hardworking guy and if you are an action taker, then only just carry on this video. But I can guarantee you, the moment you complete this video, you will be having a very good way through which you can monetize your skill. So that is the reason, if you're a hardworking guy, if you're an action taker, then just put in the comment yes, YES, yes. I'm just waiting for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. थैंक यू सो मच. चलो अब मैं आपको लॉजिक समझाता हूं कि एक्चुअल में क्या है, कौन सी वे है और आप कैसे अपने स्किल को मोनेटाइज कर सकते हो. सी, कोविड की वजह से, कोरोना की वजह से, व्हाट हैज हैपेंड सो फार, लॉट ऑफ पीपल just lost their job. Why? Because companies couldn't able to bear that cost of employing people, right? They can't give the salaries to them. But now they have work, isn't it? They have to do work. What to do? They don't have people with them. What to do? And they can't hire people because they can't again take the risk of just removing people from the company. So what they are doing nowadays, they are just hiring the freelancers. This is the easiest way, क्योंकि उसके लिए उनको कोई प्रीमाइसिस की कॉस्ट नहीं जा रही, कोई लैपटॉप की कॉस्ट नहीं जा रही, किसी भी तरह के इंफ्रा की कॉस्ट नहीं जा रही, इंटरनेट की कॉस्ट नहीं जा रही, कॉलिंग की कॉस्ट नहीं जा रही. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट दे हैव टू हायर अ स्पेशलिस्ट, दे हैव टू हायर अ फ्रीलांसर, जो कि जैसे ही उनके पास काम आता है कंपनी के पास, वो फ्रीलांसर को दें और उससे अपना काम करवाएं. नाउ a lot of companies know platforms like freelancer.coms and other freelancing websites. They simply go over there and hire professionals. Now, if you want to start working as a freelancer in your part-time, you can also do the same thing. Then what you need to do, you generally, what people do, they generally go to these websites and post their profile. But the problem is, in today's time, lot of people are doing it. Thousands of people, they do it on a daily basis. Upwork के थ्रू, Upwork भी एक वेबसाइट है, वहां से एक एप्लीकेशन मेरे एक सब्सक्राइबर ने दी एक फ्रीलांसर बनने के लिए. You know what the reply he got? Upwork people said that they are receiving 10,000 applications on a daily basis. So it will take another 6 months time to process the application. And afterwards, because you are a new onto that platform, you know that it will very hard for you to get the job, because company तो एक experienced freelancer को काम देगी, वो एक fresher को क्यों देगी, right? Now what you need to do, you need to take another route to reach out to the client, and that is that you will not wait for the client to reach you out or find you out. You have to reach them out and talk about and share your expertise onto Microsoft Excel with them, and ask them that if you have any project, any work related to Excel, you can just give it to me, right? This is what you need to do. Now, where you can approach to these companies, professionals, these all people are on LinkedIn. So just go to LinkedIn, create your profile and search for professional. Every day you can reach out to 80 to 90 professionals. 80 से 90 लोगों को आप daily basis पे connection request भेज सकते हो. The moment you build a connection with them, just propose your services. Okay, 80 से 90 का मतलब क्या है? In 10-day period you can reach out to 800 to 900 people, which is very good amount of people. And I am very much sure, and in first 10 days itself, people will respond to you, because everybody is looking for a right person for such kind of work, because people have work related in Excel. Okay, they are not specialized. Even if they are, they don't have time because they are focusing on other things. You can help them out in your extra time, maybe 1 hour a day or 2 hour a day, or if you're not doing a job, you can do it full time. So my point is that reach out to them, get the project and build another source of income. I hope you found this way very new and without competition, because people are not doing it. They are not putting that much of effort. You can do it. I did it. I am doing it. And I'm getting a lot of projects. The same way you can also approach, because market is very huge. Okay, so you can do that. Now, this is one way of doing it. In past 10 years, I am working as a freelancer and I've just came across not one, two, but many other ways through which I reach to clients and propose my services. आप भी ये काम कर सकते हो. मैं आपको ये चीजें सिखा सकता हूं. Nobody taught me. That is why it took me 10 years to reach out to a very decent income on a monthly basis. But you can learn from my experience, and without doing any mistakes, you can quickly reach out to that place. I can explain you that everything, and that is the reason I'm coming with a free webinar. The link for the same is given in the description, also in the first comment and in the bio. Just go there, sign up. I'll talk about step-by-step process of becoming a freelancer and how to reach to the client where you do not have to face any competition. I hope you liked the video. I hope you understood the logical way of reaching out to the people. If you did, just give me a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe to this channel for such amazing videos. Thank you so much.